Now, new viruses had come. That is 10 times more than virulent as than a coronavirus. Which country it come? Malaysia. What is name? The D614G. It is mutated and gives a virulent virus. Whether it is 10 times virulent than a coronavirus, today we will be discussing about this. And welcome to our channel Independent PG. Malaysia identifies a new coronavirus which is 10 times the virulent than a coronavirus. Out of 45, 3 have died due to this infected by this coronavirus. This D614G. One person is from India to transferred to the Malaysia and infected by the coronavirus of this virus, and doctor is recommended to this 14 days quarantine, but he not follow these rules, and now is spreading out of this. That is D615 14G coronavirus. These are the rumors spreading in the WhatsApp. But new virus deadly virus, 10 times virulent, not able to found a vaccine. It is all the fake things are going, and which is it is identified before. It is identified at February month itself. Now is October, August month. In today's month, this new virus is identified in Malaysia. It is not a surprising thing to surprise, but we want to know this strain. It is a type of strain identified, which is this video will benefit to us. Before we want to know what is virus, want to simply say means organism which is want a host to live, not able to live alone, so that you want a host for shelter and food from this host. Host is the animal or a human. There are two types of viruses, DNA and RNA. We know about RNA and DNA. For a quick recap, it is RNA is we can study the hair color, our skin color and age. We can identify when DNA encoded, it called DNA virus. When RNA encoded means that is RNA virus. We know this only. We can go to this topic. Coronavirus is a RNA virus. When a strong virus is not spreading, the strong virus is meant by the not spreading to all, but few will be infected, but the death ratio will be higher. The reason is the virus enters the human and slowly kills the human cells, and virus should be transferred other host if the cell is died. Humans or host cell died. If the human cell is dying faster, so that the virus cannot be get into the other host, so that the virus will be stopped, and this will be a strong. This is a strong character of virus character, strong virus character. But the coronavirus has spread a lot, and but the death rate will be only less. The report saying that the 1 million people, out of 1 million people, 33 are dying. But the new strain is the old strain is D16 614 strain is have a death rate is very low and spread a lot than a coronavirus. The second rumor in spreading in WhatsApp is mutation. Now we will be coming to the mutation part. We can call evolution it is a example for mutation because it is a reason to evolution of all the species. If there no mutations happened, no many species, lot of species are there. It is a end starting point of this mutation is of this species. If the viruses can change the character of this presence of cold or hot region, they can mutate of the surrounding. If the it can replicate again and again and cells. Likewise, human cell also have a daily dying the old cells and new forms new cells, and some these are same replication. The external factor also lead a mutation like sun rays. There are many strains are there. Out of this one is called D614G strain. The RNA virus mutation is not be changed, but because of its character is less stable. But the DNA virus is stable and it should replicate, and it is because of its stability and encoded with will be changed because of its hostile proof reading. But the words RNA viruses, but RNA virus not having this proofreading method, and first virus is difference in the second virus, so that may be in the difference in the first virus and second virus, so that not having this vaccine is difficult to find in the RNA virus. Now we arise a question that what is represent this D614G. That means it is encoded information. The spikes in the coronavirus has a place of 614. The amino acids is changed into D to G, so that it is named as D614G. Coronavirus D614G is spread a lot than a normal virus because of its new mutation. In the Feb month itself, the European countries are saying that 97% of this virus is spreading a lot, and he mentioned that D614G. The World Organization also, WHO also saying that maybe it is spread a lot. We know that from this we know that replication and mutation processes. The next question will be arising in your mind is vaccine. With the vaccine, new vaccine, we will be killing this virus. It is in your mind, so that I will be answering this question. All researchers are identifying this, study this viruses, that this virus, strain virus. European countries, based on this virus, studies is going on and creating. The first reason, it is the first reason. The second reason is we know that the particular space is mentioned in mutation and it is taken place. That spike is have a end of RBD, that is called as a receptor binding domain, RBD. This binding is host to this binding and enter to this host. The RBD is a key and host ACE2 is a lock. If in we unlocked, it can be entered. This is a basis of this vaccine correction. Now we will the end is the video, and don't spread WhatsApp rumor and believe it. Thank you.